Tell me what you got going on with it.
Crash screen. I think that's it. And when somebody called, I had to put it on speaker. And just crash screen.
Crash screen and like the earpiece speaker. All right, bro. We got you. We'll take care of it. What's up? We got you squared away.
Ooh, that big little white button.
I'll pull that off for you. Go ahead and make a call. Check your speaker. Make sure everything working before you go. Hello. Oh yeah, good to go.
How much are you?
100, man. Got you, sir.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man. Have a good one.
You too.